Hi friends, today we will see the journal title which you want to publish your article, whether that is available in Scopus or not. So if you go to elsewhere.com solutions Scopus, so if you go there, there is an option called search now option. So most of the people used to go to the Scopus preview options. As you see here, there are like many options were there. You can search using subject area or the title of the journal or publisher or ISSN. Other than searching in subject area, title, publishers, so I prefer ISSN number. Why ISSN number is preferred by most of the researchers is like ISSN number is the international standard serial number that given for all the journal. As they have given two ISSN number, one is electronic and another one is print version. For the print version will be a separate ISSN number, and for the online or electronic version will be another ISSN number. So here this ISSN number is consist of nearly 8 numbers. So 8 numbers for every journal ISSN number. So there are two ways you can find your article is available in Scopus or not. So here I will give you some examples. So using ISSN number, how you can search whether your article is in a journal which is available in Scopus. So here I have taken an example, International Journal of Engineering and Advanced Technology. So here you can find here the first about us option. They have given they having ISSN like online 2249. So just I will copy this and in the Scopus preview, just if I'm giving a find source option, as you see here, you can find the journal details. So the coverage is discontinued in Scopus. As you see here, the coverage is discontinued in Scopus. So you can search through this. This is another option. So here I have taken example for another journalist like by IAME Publications, International Journal of Management. So here you can find two ISSN number, ISSN print and ISSN online. So I will take the ISSN online, as you see here, International Journal of Management. So here the Scopus coverage is from 2019 to present. So this journal is indexed in Scopus currently. So another way you can check here is there's a Scopus content coverage. If you click the Scopus content coverage, you can find in 2020 276 documents have been uploaded. So you can have a confirmation that okay this even you can find from here the Scopus coverage years also, as well as you can find over here. And and if you find here it's like here indexed by Scopus, this all details were there, but you can click the link over here also and it will go directly take to the Scopus source ID. And here you can find coverage discontinued in Scopus. So this is how whenever the journal which you are submitting your research article, whether to find whether your journal which you are going to publish is indexed or not, you can search this option. So there is another familiar options for most of the people from IQAC and other administrators from the institute they follow. you can find here in Scopus preview there is a Scopus source list. As you see in the screen, Scopus source list. So if you click here, automatically an Excel data will be downloaded. An Excel data will be downloaded. So as you see here, this is like till June. Till June, whatever the article is indexed. So as you see here, the source ID, which indicates for every journal or a publisher when they apply to Scopus to be indexed, so they are given a source ID, so that is the source ID. And source title, as I said earlier, the international standard serial number will be in printed version as well as in ESSN. So some journals, as you see here, if ESSN is not, EISSN is not there, they don't provide electronic, they don't much provide that. So some journals may be there, some so it will be like that. And whether that's the journal is active or not, you can find over here. And whether if the title of the journal is discontinued from the Scopus, you can find such journals will be there. If you see, there are a lot of journals were there. If you go to the bottom of the Excel, you can find that this is the coverage. If it is ongoing from 2014 to ongoing or 2019 to ongoing, which means your the journal which you want to submit your article, that is currently indexed by Scopus, the article which you are publishing. And here all the other site score and whether it is open access or not. So every details, the name of the publisher, and ESGC numbers for every details, whether that belongs to engineering category or life science or social science or general category, business or chemical engineering. So these are all details will be provided here. And for example, using this, if I want to search the journal, for example, if I want to search this International Journal of Management, whether that is indexed or not, using this Excel sheet. So as you see here, this is a electronic, not this is a print version of the ISSN, and this is the electronic version. The journal is active, and from 2019 currently it is ongoing. The language is English. And as you go here, you can find out the publication, IAEME publication. So here this is the IAEME publication. So if you want to search the IJEAT journal, whether that is available or indexed, the articles has been indexed in Scopus or not. If you search the title, it will be available in the red color, highlighted. So the journal is inactive and discontinued by Scopus in 2018 to 19. It has been cancelled. So as I said earlier, you can go to the Scopus preview, Scopus source list. You can download all the journals, and you can search the title of the journal, or you can search the using ISSN number. Sometimes some journals, if you don't find the ISSN print or ISSN online, if you want to know the ISSN number, just you go to the archives of the journals, and you can find the earlier published articles. So if you are just opening the published articles, here you can find the ISSN number. You can just copy this 09766510. The same it will be available here, 09766510. Some journals, if you are not finding, if you find difficult, you can search through journal name, you can search through the ISSN number. This is mostly preferable by most of the researchers. If you find difficulty in downloading the Excel sheet, so that is available in the description link. Just you can click and you can download it. Thank you.